Oh, welcome to my YouTube video. Question is 10 minus 10 times 10 minus 10 divided by 2. Here we have to solve parentheses, and by which rule we have to solve parentheses? It's called Pemdas rule. So in Pemdas rule, we have to solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to move from a lem, to right. Then addition and subtraction. So, in this question, there is parenthesis, so we have to solve parenthesis first. We will get 10 minus 10 times, here is no sign, so we will put multiplication sign, and 10 minus 10 will be equal to 0 and whole divided by 2. Okay, now move to next step. In Pemdas rule, we have multiplication first. So here is multiplication. So we have to solve 10 times 0. So we will get 10 minus 10 times 0 will be equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0, we will get 0. Divided by 2. Okay? Now move to next step. We will get 10 divided 0 will be equal to 10 divided by 2. Now, 10 divided by 2 will be equal to 5. Hence, 5 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.